welcome to Mama Joan house where it's hot, and when I said hot I mean it hot like a scotch bonnet pepper. Okay guys, today I know Thanksgiving is coming up soon for all my American people, so today I'm gonna do a little jerk chicken. And we can use the jerk chicken, you know, for the dinner, you know, throughout the Thanksgiving. It's gonna be very spicy and nice, and it's gonna be finger licking good, and it's gonna make you wanna slap your papa and your children. Okay, so that is what I'm gonna do for you guys today. We're gonna get into the ingredients to make the jerk sauce. I make my jerk sauce, my own homemade jerk sauce, and I'm gonna share this recipe with you guys so you guys can make your own jerk sauce, okay? Because a chicken we are jerk and a turk we are turk, okay guys? All right, so here I have some thyme, and I use 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, so you know it was spicy. And I have 2 small onions and about 4 cloves of garlic. I use 1 carrot. You just use a small carrot, and a half a bell pepper, and 2 stalk of scallion. And you need some pimento seed. That is very vital, very important. We have the pimento seed because the pimento seed is what giving that jerk, you know, that jerk spicy flavor. You need that pimento seed. I'm gonna use about, this is a big, this is like 2 tablespoons. Okay. We use a cup of water and a half a cup of soy sauce. Use the mushroom soy sauce because it's a bit thicker, and a piece of ginger. You're gonna use a piece of ginger. A piece of ginger. Put that in. Okay, so now I have some pre-washed chicken here with a little adobe on it and some Caesar salt. That's it. And this is my favorite, my famous jerk sauce that I made, homemade, and it smells so good, you know. But you know guys, you can use Scotch bonnet pepper, or you can use any kind of hot pepper, but it's best if you use the Scotchy, because the Scotchy give you that flavor, you know, and really make it smell nice. You know what? A jerk with a jerk, with turkey, with jerky, no turkey. Okay, so I'll pour this over Mr. Chicken, you know, so chicken well ready, as me tell you. All right. So now I'll give Mr. Chicken a stir. Ooh. And guys, marinate this. When you do this, you marinate this for 2 hours. It's nice if you could do it like overnight. So if you do this and you make it marinated for overnight, oh my God. Being as all Thanksgiving is away, so you guys can have enough time to do this and marinate it. Make it sit in this. Come and take a look. Take a look. Let it sit in this sauce, well marinated. So I'm gonna let this sit for 2 hours, and then I'm gonna throw it in my oven. So this is jerk chicken in the oven because I love to cook into my oven. So it's 2 hours now, and I'm gonna get it from the fridge and line it out for you. Okay, I'm just gonna put it on my plate, in my pan. So guys, I'm using like a baking sheet And I line it with some file paper. This way, everything just stay in the pan. I have the oven preheated at 400, okay? So you preheat your oven at 400 degrees. And I'm gonna leave the sauce, and I'm gonna use it to put on it. So I'm gonna put it in the oven for the first. Chicken is easy to cook. So I'm gonna give this 25 minutes on both sides. So for the first 25 minutes, then I'm gonna take it out and show you guys real authentic jerk chicken in the oven. Here you go. We're gonna put it in the oven now. Okay, all right, and we have the oven at 400 degrees. This is what it looked like on the first side. So I said 20 minutes, but it's actually a half an hour. So for the first time in the oven is half an hour. So I'm gonna flip it and put it back for another half an hour. Look at it. You see the jerk season on it. Oh, it's pretty. So I'm gonna flip it and give it another half an hour so it's nice and juicy. And then what I'm gonna do now with the juice, I am going to make a sauce. I'm not gonna throw the remainder sauce on it, so I'm gonna cook that on the stove. My Thanksgiving already gone, and I never make any jerk chicken, so I'm making it for you guys, okay? So this is what I'm doing for the remainder of the chicken. I'm gonna pour off the juice in here. Guys, you're gonna be skillful and be careful, okay? For the remainder of the jerk sauce, I'm gonna use this now. I'm gonna bring this to a boil it down, okay? I'm gonna boil this down, and then I come back and I'm gonna show you how it is. And then I'm gonna pour it back over the chicken and put back the chicken in the oven for another 10 minutes, okay? Okay, so now this is what it looked like after I pour out the liquid. So I'm gonna pour the rest of sauce over it now. Now put it back in the oven for about another 5 minutes, really, just for the sauce to just sit in it. That's all it needs, this sauce here. Put it over it. Smells so nice. Oh my gosh, I really want you guys to really try and do this jerk chicken, eh? So as I said, I put the sauce on top of it now, so I'm gonna put it back in the oven for 5 minutes, and then after the 5 minutes, then you're gonna see what it looked like when it finished. Okay, all right? Isn't that delicious already? And it's not done. Just forget the sauce, you know, the jerk sauce into the chicken. You know what I'm saying? It just work itself in it and just you know, do you think? Okay, guys. So now I came to the end of my chicken when me jerking, when me not twerking. Okay, so guys, look how pretty it looks. So the sauce and everything there, and you can use the sauce as a gravy and some rice. So guys, steam on yourself some rice and get down in this jerk chicken, because me I tell you, it's nice no fuck. Okay, so guys, what I like you to do, I like you to hit that post notification bell, and I want 20,000 likes on this jerk chicken here, and I want you guys to make this chicken, you know, and comment below and let me know how it tastes when we're done with it, because you know what? These are the best jerk chicken in a oven una go eat. So just follow me instruction on the video and turn up with the jerk. When we are jerk and a turk, we are turk. Okay guys? We are out.